Mongo Bread. Our thought for today: for everyone who asks, receives; everyone who seeks, finds; and to everyone who knocks, the door will be opened. Matthew chapter 7, verse 8. If you like our cooking videos, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, and click the all notifications so you will be notified if we have any new videos. We will make Mongo bread. We will be needing 3 eggs, then we will mix in 1 cup of milk to our egg. Okay. We'll just mix it well. Then we will add in our 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Okay, it's 1/2 teaspoon plus another 1/2 teaspoon. Then we will mix it. And we will put in our bread flour, like we'll put it in our mixer. Then we will put in our wet mixture to our flour. We will just mix it in low. And we will add in 1/4 melted butter to it. Now that our dough is all mixed, we will start scraping it on the side. Okay, we will start scraping it on the side. cover it with plastic and we will let it rise for like an hour. Okay, we will knead our bread. As you can see, it's so soft. Just form a ball to it and then we will let it rest for like 3 hours more. Now we will heat up our mongo. Just put a little oil to our pan. And we need red mung beans. This up and we're gonna add like 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it so it will thicken the mixture a little bit. This red beans has already sugar to it, so it's already sweet. Added our cornstarch 2 hours already. We will knead again our dough. Put on sprinkles of flour so we can knead it good. It's as soft as marshmallow. Flatten. using a rolling pin. Then we can put our mongo filling to it. Then we will try to roll it. And try to spread the filling so it's evenly distributed. Okay, we try to roll it and then we try to close the edges, and now we will cut it into two so we can put it in our pan, and then we will put it in the oven for like 20 to 30 minutes and on 350 degrees. First we will cut this one first, and then we will let it rise more for like an hour, so we have a fully risen bread. Okay, we did let our dough rest for 2 hours, and now it's ready to go to the oven. There you go. We put it on 350 degrees for like 20 to 30 minutes. Here is our homemade mongo bread. We will let it rest for a few minutes because it's still hot before we taste it. Now we will slice our mongo bread. Share and subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below for any other videos that you want us to feature on this channel. Take care and God bless. Bye.